Chanel numero 5. Exicchiola. Ah, che bella exicchioliata. Non mangiate la frutta, vi fa insecchire. Mangiati la stigliola, ti metti in carne. La si è fatta troppo secca.
Hello everyone, this is Ballarò, the most beautiful open-air market here in Palermo, the capital of Sicily. Behind me you can see the beautiful church of Carmine, the Church of Carmel. This is dedicated to me. As you know, Gianca stands for Giancarmine, so this is my church. I'm Gianca. I'm the owner of a tour company here in Sicily, Best Things to Do in Sicily. And I'm very happy to assist you to put together your tour of Sicily. We used to include the visit of the open-air market in Palermo, the second day of the tour of Sicily. Regardless, it's a private tour or a group tour, our Sicily Lovers Tour. You will enjoy the visit of Palermo the day after your arrival in Sicily. Ballarò is a must location. It's a highlight included in our tours of Sicily, but I would like to give you a tip, a personal advice. Please visit Ballarò if you want to visit Sicily on your own. Please visit Ballarò and the open-air markets in general early in the morning, because if you come here at noon, at lunchtime, it will be very, very noisy, very overcrowded. They play music, loud music, they do karaoke, and I think you will be disappointed. You have two possibilities. You can ask us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily according to your needs, or you can join one of our group tours. We used to plan a group tour for around 20 people 3 times per year. This is called the Sicily Lovers Tour, and it's the best combination between the most beautiful locations and the best activities you can experience in our beloved island. Of course, if you want us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily, this is available all year round. Both our private tours of Sicily and our group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour, are optimized to maximize your leisure time and minimize your driving here in Sicily. to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com if you want us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily according to your needs, or if you want to join one of our Sicily Lovers Tour. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Mwah.